Can you tell me the first one? A modeling tool used to show the hierarchy of system. Which one is right? What do you think?
Teacher, what does hierarchy means?
Yeah, structure diagram. It is visible.
Yes.
A modeling tool used to show hierarchy of system. It is a structure diagram. Okay. A collection
Why?
of basically we break down the problem into small problems. This is the main module. Okay. This is the main module. Then you break down another. Then you break down another. You break down the problem. It is hierarchy. It becomes hierarchy. Module 1. Okay. Module A. Or again module A1. You break down the problem.
So you divide problem.
Yeah.
This means it is hierarchy.
Yeah. When you break down the problem, hierarchy, it makes a hierarchy. The large program is broken down in smaller parts. You got it?
Okay.
This is this one. A collection of standard program available for immediate use. A collection of standard program available for immediate use. So basically, it is a library routine. Library routine are those programs which is already made, tested, and error-free. So you call library program whenever you need in your program. In your making program, it does its own task like sqrt, square root function. Okay, you call or random number. Okay, this one is the library, a collection of standard program available for immediate use. It is already made, tested, and error-free. You just call these programs. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say a graphic. Yeah. You want to say?
No, teacher,
Yeah.
can you explain what library routines again?
Wait a second. I send you a definition description first, then you can understand. Okay.
Okay.
So that it will be easier for you. Library program are those programs which are made already for a specific purpose. Okay.
I will send the definition.
I'm sending 1 minute.
Okay.
Now see this one.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? You understand?
Yes.
So this is structure diagram and this is library routine. The
Okay.
third one, a graphical representation used to represent an algorithm. That is a flow chart.
Well chart.
Now, a graphical representation to show how a system is broken down in subsystem. Structure diagram. But main system further divided to subsystem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now wait. So this one is clear.
Yes.
You have done already. Now we have to work on describe how the pseudocode could be altered to allow any number of value to be input. The previous one.
Teacher.
Yeah, I'm working on that. 1 minute. It takes time.
Okay.
Wait a
Okay.
For 2 minutes more, okay? Okay, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, first page we have solved already, okay?
Okay.
There are 3 pages. No? First page you have table and input A, input B. You have sent me 3 pages. The first page we have already solved. This is the second page.
Yeah.
It says describe how this pseudocode could be altered to allow any number of value to be input. Got it?
What does that mean?
It says no. You have already they have given you pseudocode, na? Input A, input B, input C. You have
Yes.
it is asking about that. Describe how this pseudocode would be altered to allow any number of value to be input. You have to explain. Okay. Wait a second. I'll put it. Now see here, okay. This was the first question.
Yes.
We have take this one. This
Yes.
one second. And this one third. And so is this clear?
Okay.
Now moving to next slide. This was your second program. Second problem. Okay. Input A, B, C, whatever. Then it is being total and showing the average. So you can see here. Calculate the average of 12 number. It prompts the user to input 12 values labeled A through L. Afterward, it sums these values and store the total in a variable named T. The program then divides the sum by 12 to compute the average and display the result. So you understand?
Okay, wait.
Don't write. I will send you.
You will send me?
Yeah, I will send you this one.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Now it is asking about this this one, how to make it more improved. How, because you are taking 12 input. So that is a tedious task. It says describe how this pseudocode be altered to allow any number of value to be input. Okay. Here we have to explain. You got it?
Can you say again?
It says how can you alter this program to take any number of input? Because here input are limited now. You cannot give you cannot write too many lines to get to take input from the user. Okay, it is a difficult task. So it is asking describe how this pseudocode could be altered to allow any number of value to be input. We have to explain in words. You got my point?
No.
No. Where is problem? It is asking how can you alter the previous program to get to take input any number of value to be input. Okay, I explain it. Okay, see there. Here is the solution. Asking the user to specify total number of input. Okay, you can ask question 5 input, 6 input, or 7 input. Whatever. You can prompt the user. Okay, you can ask the user how many input you want to do. So using a loop to repeatedly input value based on the specified number. Loop can help us to perform this task many times in repeated manner. So adjusting the calculation of the average to divide the sum by the actual number of inputs. This is the formula of average, which you have done in previous program. Okay. You have to ask user how many input it wants, maybe 5. So loop will run 5 times. Loop will run 5 times. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. So if you give input 7 times, loop will run 7 times. Because the program requirement is that it is asking describe how this pseudocode could be altered to allow any number of value to be input. So if you give 10, the loop will run 10 times. You understand?
Okay.
Okay. One
Can you
second.
show me the aspect again?
Output, this one.
Yes.
Don't write, I will send you. Just understand right now. You can read.
I'm reading.
Just read. Okay. Should I move?
No.
You are writing. You should not write. I will
I'm
send
not
you.
writing, I'm reading.
Okay, okay.
I didn't understand.
Which one? No.
Like,
You understand this
um,
question? Are you understanding this question? What it says?
but is it asking any values to be input instead of alphabets?
Okay. Now see the first line. Asking the user to specify total number of input. Like if you give 5. So you have a choice how many input you want in a program. It can be 5, it can be 50, it can be 500. It up to you, up to you. Can you write 500 input in a program? It is only asking the user to specify the, okay, leave it. No, just wait. See the next part. It said, okay, it said describe how this pseudocode be altered to allow any number of value to be input. Now here program is written. Okay. We will input and can be variable. It will take input like I give input 5. T is the total initialized by 0. This loop will run for I 1 to n like 5 times. It will take input 5 times and make it total. And after exiting from the after completing loop, it will show the average value T divided by n. Now you got it? No?
Shouldn't we declare first?
Yeah, you can declare. It is not declared, but it is understood. How many variables are there? Like this one, and this one. So these 3 lines you can declare. I did not declare, but you can declare. Okay. You can write here declare. Declare is not compulsory. It's only option. Okay. You can write here. You can declare and T or I. You can you can take your own name. You can take your own name of variable. Okay.
Okay.
Now move to next slide. Now it has given a pseudocode. It has given a pseudocode on page 3. And
I'm
algorithm,
gonna the answers.
can you say some? Can you write?
No, I am saying, are you gonna send the answers to the WhatsApp?
This one?
No, all answers.
You are sending answer?
No, I am asking, are you gonna send the answers of the homework?
Yeah, yeah.
All answers.
Yeah. I will send you this file.
Okay.
Now see, an algorithm is written in pseudocode. They have given you pseudocode that is asking describe the purpose of algorithm. So what is going on? It is take total initial value is 0. This loop run from 1 to 50. It will take input 50 input, okay, from the user. At input, it will make total of 50 number here, okay. And at the end of loop, it will show our total value of 50 input number. That's it. I can show you in description here. The algorithm initialize the variable total to 0, which will hold the cumulative sum, adding each number. It then run a loop 50 times from count equal 1 to count 50. In each iteration, the user is prompted to input a number, num, which is added to the total. After all 50 number have been input and summed, the algorithm output the final value of total, which represents the sum of those 50 numbers. Now you got it? What is
Wait.
going on in loop? Okay. Now it says rewrite the algorithm pseudocode using a different type of loop. So it was written in for loop. Now it is asking write the same pseudocode in another loop. Now see here, same loop, total 0, count equal to 1 because count is initialized before the condition of loop while. So count while count less than equal to 50. Input now, total plus now. It is increment and while and output. It's a simplified, we can modify it.
Okay.
Describe how you could modify the original algorithm shown at the start of question 4 to allow any number of input. Again, it is asking allow any number of input. Okay. Now see for
Okay.
description. To modify the original algorithm to allow any number of input, the following changes are required. The same thing we have done in start of the slide. Ask the user to specify number of input instead of limiting to 50. So replace the fixed loop current count with a dynamic loop that runs based on the number of input provided by the user. Modification: add a prompt for the user to input the number of value they want to enter and use that value to determine the number of iterations for the loop. In this part, only description required, but you can have a program also. Total initial value 0, input n, and count equal to 1 for this one. 1 to n. So whatever in value, well, like I gave 500, I gave 500. So this loop will take 500 input. It will run 500 times input now and total plus now. Counting count plus 1 and y. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sending you. Okay, this is finished. Okay.
Okay.
I will send you the whole file. This is remember.
Yes, I remember. I marked them.
Okay. So enough for today.
Yes.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Lapis.